Hi guys, in this video we will see how to use ChatGPT inside Microsoft Excel. Yes, you can easily use ChatGPT in Microsoft Excel. Here are the process. First, launch Microsoft Excel page, and here we will see how to use ChatGPT within Microsoft Excel page. Here go to Home tab from the top menu bar, and thereafter click on Add-ins. Now in search field type ChatGPT. In search field type ChatGPT and ChatGPT for Excel. Use ChatGPT for Excel and PowerPoint appear. Just click on add. Now ChatGPT is successfully added to your Microsoft Excel. Now we will see how to use this ChatGPT within your page or worksheet. Simply click on ChatGPT and you can see how to use ChatGPT. This page will open, and here a few query will be raised. ChatGPT, continue with ChatGPT, click on it. First put your credential and log in with your ChatGPT, and after that agree terms and condition. Click on I understand. And what do you use Excel for? Here various option available: banking, accounting. Choose personal if you use personal, and click on next. Click on next. Understand formulas, errors, patterns, build financial materials. Various type of aspects available here. Choose fast, increase thinking effort for more problems. Choose fast, and now your worksheet is ready with ChatGPT. Now we will add this cell. Simply type sum at the rate and select the cell and click on arrow sign, and you can see this will simply added. So you can use ChatGPT in within Microsoft Excel worksheet and your problem will be solved accordingly. That's all.